Welcome to our channel. Today we how to record Google Meet session step by step clearly. To record a Google Meet session, first, open your Google Calendar. Create a new event and select a date and time for your meeting. In the event details, add the email addresses of the participants. Click on the Add Google Meet Video Conferencing option. Save the event and ensure all participants receive the invitation. At the scheduled time, join the Google Meet session using the link provided. Once you are in the meeting, verify that you have the necessary permissions to record. Only the meeting organizer and specific participants can record the session. To start recording, look for the three vertical dots at the bottom right corner of the screen. Click on the dots to open the options menu. Select Record Meeting from the list of choices. A confirmation window will pop up. Click on Start Recording. The recording indicator will appear in the top left corner of the screen. During the meeting, you can pause or stop the recording by clicking the three dots again. Select Stop Recording to finish the session. A confirmation prompt will appear. Confirm your action to stop the recording. After stopping the recording, Google Meet will automatically process the video. Once processing is complete, the recording will be saved to Google Drive. You will receive an email with a link to access the recorded session. Share the link with all participants as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.